Good morning students. Today we will discuss grade 10th topic method of completing scale. This is NCERT exercise 4.3. So our first question is find the roots of the following quadratic equations if they exist by the method of completing scale. So our first equation is question number first. Its first part is given equation is 2x square minus 7x plus 3 is equals to 0. This is the given equation. We have to use the method of completing scale for finding the roots of the x. Means we have to find the values of x by using the method of completing scale. So first of all, this is the method of completing scale. First of all, check the coefficient of x square. In this equation, coefficient of x square is 2. So that means we have to divide this whole equation by 2. So dividing it by 2. If we have another equation like it, minus 5x plus 7 equals to 0, like it. So here coefficient of x square is 3, so we have to divide it by 3. It's not fixed key, you have to divide only by 2. Divide according to the coefficient of x square. If your coefficient of x square is 3, then divide it by 3. If your coefficient of x square is 5, then divide it by 5. So first step is divide this equation by 2 on both sides. So first of all, divide it by 2. So after dividing, 2 and 2 cancel, it becomes x square. 7 by 2x as it is. 3 by 2 is positive on right hand side, sorry, left hand side. 3 by 2 is positive on left hand side. On right hand side, it becomes minus 3 by 2. This is the first step when we divide the equation by the coefficient of x square. So our next step is we have to add a term on left side and as well as on right hand side. ये हमने कैसे फाइंड करना कि दोनों तरफ कौन सी टर्म आएगी. So add, so we have a formula to find that term. Add half of coefficient of x and square of it. Done. First of all, we have to check the coefficient of x, half of that coefficient, and then square of that coefficient. So this is the half. Coefficient of x. Coefficient of x is minus 7 by 2. Means coefficient of x means x के साथ कौन सा नंबर आया है, पॉजिटिव नेगेटिव जो भी है वो हमने मेंशन करना है यहाँ पे. This is minus 7 by 2 whole scale. Done. So 7 into 1, 7. 2 to the 4. And negative scale. Negative scale is always positive. We already knew that. Minus into minus, that is plus. So this one, add 7 by 4 whole square to both sides of the equation. Done. So this is our second step. Add up 7 by 4 whole square on both sides. Like it, minus 3 by 4 plus 7 by 4 whole square. Done. So left side, look at the left side, only left hand side. Left hand side is related to an identity, a square plus b square minus 2ab. This left side is related to the identity, that is this one, a square minus 2ab plus b square, and this is the basic identity. It becomes a minus b whole square. In this left hand side we have x square plus 7 by 4 whole square minus 7 by 2 into x. It becomes a minus b whole square. So that means it becomes x minus 7 by 4 whole square. हमें ये पता है कि this is 2ab is negative. So we have to put a minus b. Minus sign is there. If in the identity plus is there, a square plus 2ab plus b square, then it becomes a plus b whole square. Done. So it becomes x minus 4 whole square. अब राइट साइड की कैलकुलेशन भी हम लोग सॉल्व कर लेते हैं. दिस इज माइनस 3/2 प्लस 7/4 whole square. 7/4 whole square, square of 7 is 49 and square of 4 is 16. Now take the LCM. 16 is the LCM, that is minus 24 plus 49. Done. After taking LCM, it becomes like it. Plus minus minus 49 minus 24, that is 25 upon 16. Done. So square is there, and on right hand side 25 upon 16 is there. First of all, we have to remove the square. It becomes like it without square. On right hand side it becomes positive, negative sign is there, and root of 25 upon 16. Root of 25 मतलब 25 का रूट क्या होता है, that is 4, and root of 16 root of 25 is 5 and root of 16 is 4. We have two terms, positive 5/4 and negative 5/4. Done. So next we have to find the values of x. This is x minus 7/4, that is equals to the two values. First is negative and second is positive. So write down like it. x minus 7/4 equals to 5/4 and x minus 7/4, that is minus 5/4. 7/4 is negative on left hand side, so it becomes positive on right hand side. That is 7/4 plus 5/4. Now take 4 as a LCM. 7/5, that is 12/4. After cutting, it becomes 3. So first value of x is 3. And on another side, 7/4 is again negative. On right hand side, it becomes positive like it. And this is minus 5/4. Taking 4 as a LCM. 7 minus 5. 7 minus 5, that is 2. 2 upon 4. So it becomes 1/2. So therefore, our values of x are 3 and 1/4. So this is the method of completing square. So just recapitulate it. First of all, we have to our first step is check the coefficient of x cube. If it is 2, 3, 4, 5, otherwise कोई भी number हो, so then divide by that number. So divide this equation by 2 because यहाँ पे हमारे पास x square के साथ 2 है ना. So divide this equation by 2. On right hand side also, जब भी हम 0 को 2 से divide करें, that is 0. Done. 2 and 2 cancel, it becomes x square minus 7/2 into x. 3/2 is on left hand side, positive. On right hand side it becomes negative. First step is divide it by coefficient of x square. Second step is add this term on both sides. Done. Third step is identity, using identity. And fourth step is take these two positive negative terms differently and solve the values of x. Done. So this is the question number first, part number first. So let's discuss the part number second. So our second equation is write down the equation, that is 2x cube plus x minus 4. 2x cube plus x minus 4. This is our second part. So here again coefficient of x. So first step is divide by coefficient of x cube. Our first step is divide by the coefficient of x cube. Again here coefficient of x square is 2, so dividing it by 2. 2 on both sides. So it becomes 2x square upon 2 plus x by 2 minus 4/2, that is equals to 0/2. आप इसको 0 भी लिख सकते हो, that is your choice because 0/2 is always 0. Done. So next is 2 and 2 cancel. It becomes x square plus x by 2. After cancellation it becomes 2 और हम इसको साथ में राइट साइड में ले जाते हैं. First step is complete. When we divide it, then our first step is कंप्लीट. सेकेंड स्टेप हमारा है, हम एक टर्म ऐड करते हैं. डन. सो व्हाट इज द फॉर्मूला? व्हाट इज दैट फॉर्मूला? हाफ ऑफ, राइट डाउन हाफ, next is coefficient of x and after it square of the term. हम इसका स्क्वायर कर देते हैं. Square of half of coefficient of x. Done. So here half is as it is coefficient of x. मतलब x के साथ हमारे पास क्या है? x coefficient of x is +1. ठीक है. So that is +1 whole square. 1/2 whole square to both sides. Add this term to both sides. Done. Next is x cube. Next is x by 2 and half square on left hand side as well as on right hand side. Done. Again this is identity, a square plus 2ab plus b square, and this identity is a square plus 2ab plus b square, and it is a plus b whole square. इसको लर्न करना बहुत ईजी है. If 2ab is positive then your formula is a plus b whole square. If 2ab is negative then formula is a minus b whole square. Nothing else. So it becomes x plus 1/2 whole square. Done. Left side is done. Now solve the right hand side. 2 plus 1/2 whole square, that is 1/4. Now taking 4 as a LCM. 4 2s are 8. 8 plus 1, that is 9/4. 9/4 is there. Done. So now next step is remove the square. It is x plus 1/2 and plus minus root 9/4. 9/4. 9 is the root of 9 is, that is 3, and root 4 is 2. Again left side पे single term is there, and on right hand side we have two terms, positive as well as negative. So solve for x. That is x plus 1/2 equals to positive 3/2. X plus 1/2, that is positive 3/2, and x plus 1/2, that is negative 3/2. Is that clear? Okay, done. Half is positive on left hand side. On right hand side it becomes negative. So that means 3/2 minus 1/2. Now taking 2 as a LCM. 3 minus 1, that is 2 upon 2. After cancellation the value, first value of x is 1. Same on another side. Half is positive, on right hand side it becomes negative. Now taking 2 as a LCM, so this is minus 3 minus 1, it becomes minus 4/2, and after cancellation it is minus 2. So for this quadratic equation our values are 1 and minus 2. I think सबको ये क्लियर हो गया होगा. इट इज सो मच इजी क्वेश्चन, इजी मेथड है, कोई ऐसा डिफिकल्ट नहीं है. सो अनदर पार्ट इज पार्ट नंबर 3rd एंड पार्ट नंबर 4th. पार्ट नंबर 3rd, 4x square plus 4 root 3 into x plus 3, that is equals to 0. So write down the part number 3rd. Given equation is 4x square. Given equation is 4x square plus 4 into root 3x plus 3. So here coefficient of x square is 4. यहाँ पर x square का coefficient 4 है. So divide this equation by 4. ये नहीं कि हमने फिक्स करा है 2 से ही डिवाइड करना है या समथिंग एल्स है. जस्ट चेक द कोफिशिएंट ऑफ एक्स स्क्वायर. आपने सिर्फ एक्स स्क्वायर का कोफिशिएंट चेक करना है. हियर कोफिशिएंट ऑफ एक्स स्क्वायर इज 4, मतलब एक्स के साथ क्या आ रहा है, दैट इज 4. सो डिवाइडिंग इट बाय 4 ऑन बोथ साइड्स. So it becomes 4x square upon 4 plus 4 root 3 upon 4 into x plus 3 upon 4, that is equals to 0. 4 cancel, this one also cancel. Simple है calculation ये तो. x square plus root 3 into x. सामने हम एक काम कर रहे हैं, constant is there 3/4. मैं इसको साथ में नेगेटिव बना के दूसरी तरफ लेके जा रही हूँ. It becomes -3/4. Done. Now this is the first step. Complete our first step. Second step is, you remember कि second step हमारा क्या है, हम कोई टर्म ऐड करते हैं दोनों तरफ. So what is the formula for that? Add square of, remember it, half of coefficient of x, means x के साथ जो भी वैल्यू लगी है उसका हाफ कर दो and square, after it square that term, half coefficient of x, x के साथ क्या है वैल्यू, this is √3 whole square. Done. √3 is there, coefficient of x is √3, √3 square is 3, that is, चाहे आप ओपन करके लिख लो चाहे आप डायरेक्टली ऐसे भी लिख सकते हो. सो ऐड √3/2 whole square to both sides. Done. So it becomes x squared plus √3 into x plus √3/2 whole square, same as it is on left side, same as it is we have to add on right hand side, like it. Done. Okay, now again identity is there, a square plus 2ab plus b square, so it becomes a plus b whole square. On right hand side, remember it, this is -3/4. listen, ये हमेशा मोस्टली स्टूडेंट्स इसको कैलकुलेशन मिस्टेक कर जाते हैं. √3/2 होल स्क्वायर, जब हम स्क्वायर करते हैं टू टर्म्स आर देयर, न्यूमरेटर में है एक डिनोमिनेटर में है, सो वी हैव टू स्क्वायर दिस टू टर्म्स. मोस्टली स्टूडेंट क्या करेंगे, दिस वन कैंसल, इट इज 3/2, बट इट्स रॉन्ग, टोटली रॉन्ग. Done. We have to square off these terms, like here √3 square, that is 3, and 2 square is 4. Done. Clear. So we have a different term on right hand side, 3/4, 3/4, both are same, and one is positive and one is negative. Done. So cancel these two terms, it becomes 0. Done. This is a different one. So right side is totally 0, but we have to, next step is we have to remove the square of this term, square of this term, so it becomes x plus √3/2 whole square. Done. This is the whole square, x plus 3/2 whole square, that is equals to 0. Done. Right side is 0, so no negative, positive is there. Done. Next is x plus √3/2 whole square. Write down this term 2 times, like it. Done. X plus √3 square is there, so we have to write down, square is there, so we have to write down 2 times. Done. Positive √3/2, it becomes negative on right hand side. This is our first value, and same as it is on this one, on this side, value of x is again -√3/2. So values of x are